Parents, it takes a village to raise a child, and our children need our support to help them to become well-rounded and successful adults.
Reading activities from kindergarten to grade 3 build a strong foundation and help the children to learn and grow.
Everyday activities like talking and telling stories to your children help them to read, learn, and grow.
Singing and playing games with your children are great ways to help them learn to read and grow.
When you're out and about, read signs, billboards, and posters with your children.
Let your children choose books that they like and read for at least 10 minutes every day. Or let them read to you.
Connect with your child's teachers and find out what they're learning in school.
We want all of the children of the OECS to read, learn, and grow.
This message is brought to you by the OECS USAID Early Learners Program, funded by United States Agency for International Development. For more information, log on to www.oecs.org/ELP.